Hey, Butto, having trouble with your coding?
Yes, my program keeps giving me these errors of lost precision.
Are you using the correct data types?
What the heck are data types?
Well, let me try to explain it to you. Say that one baby toy. The shapes and stuff.
Oh, yeah, that one. I can't figure this stupid thing out.
Well, I'll have my good friend and computer science expert, John, to explain the basics.
Hey kiddos, so variables are created with an instantiation statement. It contains an identifier and a name.
Don't forget value.
Not quite, buddy. That's an assignment statement.
A variable can be created and assigned a value in the same statement, but it can also be declared as empty.
Thanks, John.
I'll explain the rest to you. First, our primitive data types.
This is a primitive data type called an int. It is used to hold a whole number value.
Oh, so you can use whole numbers, but you can't use decimals?
Yes, you can. You just have to use a double. It's made just like an int, but instead of the identifier being int, it's double.
A program needs to check if something is true or false. How do I do that?
You just need to use a Boolean statement.
How do I use that?
You do the same thing as other ones, but with a Boolean identifier. After you create a variable, you can then assign it the value of true or false. Be careful, it has to be lowercase because Java is case sensitive.
What about letters? Can I use those in Java?
With the char, you can.
A char can only take the value of a single letter, but that single letter must be around single parentheses, as so.
But I need more than one letter!
That leads us to our second data type, non-primitive data.
Our first non-primitive data type is a string. It is a collection of chars, and it must be in double parentheses as it is a string literal.
What else can a string hold?
It can hold spaces and numbers. Anything that is inside the double parentheses is included.
But I have multiple strings that need to be in my method. How do I make them together?
You can use an array for that. Arrays are a collection of data. To select an item from your array, you use the index. Remember, the indexes start at 0.
Everything's fitting into place. Thanks, John and Sebastian.